Greetings! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of receiving Bitcoin Cash using your Paytaca wallet. Let's dive right in. Open the Paytaca mobile app on your device or visit the Paytaca website. It's your gateway to receiving digital assets seamlessly. Simply tap on the Receive icon at the bottom of the home page. Select the cryptocurrency you're eager to receive, whether it's Bitcoin Cash or any other preferred digital asset. This choice ensures you're all set to receive exactly what you need. Paytaca gives you a choice here, showing how flexible it is. You have two paths to get your Bitcoin Cash. The first one creates a QR code just for you, and the second one is equally easy. It makes a special Bitcoin Cash address. Both ways lead to the same result. You get your funds securely. You did it! Your reliable Paytaca app quickly sends a message saying your Bitcoin Cash arrived safely. This message is like a final confirmation.